Yo guys, so this is another setup that I want to pick with $50 that I just deposit. Okay, so this is how we do it on this channel. Anytime that we want to take a trade with full margin, we have a tutorial account. We deposit the money into it fresh and then we risk it on the trade. Okay, you can also try that if you want to be risking $20 or $15, $10 on a trade. You can have a separate account, just push that $30, $20 into the account and risk it on one trade. Okay, so that is another strategy. So we open the trade without stop loss. So let's go. This is it. We want to buy. Market is moving away from us, so let me quickly buy. So we have this position open with the $50. Okay, when it move and each, we are going to come out from this trade. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so let me now explain. I have this trend line here. I post this in my free channel. Okay, my free channel yesterday. This was the analysis I posted yesterday. So the break of the zone happened. Okay, let me give this signal to my VIP people. Buy gold at 2740, 2740.26. SL should come below here, which will be 2730.84. Okay, 2730.84, and then TP should come around here, 2748.45, 2748.45. Good. So that is what we have for the today. Okay, so let's go back to our analysis. So this break the zone, and I have some entry criteria that I meet that I enter this trade. This is going to move into profit definitely. So let's keep waiting as this move into profit, guys. Let's keep waiting. Let's go and come back and check on this. If you want to know how I trade, you can comment below and join my mentorship. And also, if you want to learn from my PDF too, you can purchase the PDF. The link is under the video description. If you want to join my Telegram channel for free analysis and all that, the link is under the video description. Just go and join. Okay, so let's go and come back in some minutes later to check on this trade. Yo guys, as you can see, we have almost doubled the money. Okay, we are smashing into massive profits. You can see, guys, this is a very nice strategy. If you want to learn this strategy, just hit me out at the comment section or join my Telegram group for more signals. Okay, more are splashing on here. You can even see my how do you call it, my pro from account too. I'm smashing it with different type of opportunities. You can see it. I've keep on adding positions to this. Okay, one have closed in profit. It's left with two positions right here, guys. We are still smashing big into profit. This is a very powerful strategy to learn. Okay, if you want to learn this, just let me know. We are still in profit. I want it to reach 100, then I close. Okay, then I close. It's going. I'm going to close. Still want to reduce. What's happening? Let me just close this. Let me close this. Let me see. It will still smash up. It's a good way to scalp on a lower time frame. Let's still wait for some minutes to see. Let's wait. Even though somebody will say this is a zone, although we are going to close this very quickly. Let's wait to see. I just want to double this money. Let's still wait to see what happens, guys. So we are almost to double this. We even double it, but it's coming down again. Let's still wait to see. It's still coming back, but let's still wait to see how it goes. Just want to double this and close it. Okay, Yo guys, so we have now doubled this account, so I'm going to close this trade forward. Okay, let me just close all. Good, so this is what we have now. Okay, so I'll be taking another trade when I see any setup again. So this is a very powerful strategy that you have to learn. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and also keep eye on this channel so that you can be learning every single post that I post onto this channel. All right.